So in this class, we will do the worksheet. Everybody should has to open the worksheet from the class era course material. Okay, it's uploaded in the class era course material. Everybody should has to open the worksheet. The worksheet is uploaded there. Okay, and many students open it. I am repeating this thing for the students who joined the class right now. Okay, so in the worksheet, let me show you the question for the worksheet. So there is a worksheet. There is a question. Let me. Yes, Mohammed Farooq, what happened? Mohammed Farooq, yes. What is your question?
Hear you well.
What is your question?
I cannot hear you well.
Everybody is listening me. Say yes or no. You guys can unmute yourself.
Yes. I
Everybody is
hear
listening
you.
me.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Listen. If someone is feeling difficulty in listening me, so what they have to do, they can leave class for once and join the class again. Okay? Because everyone is listening me. Maybe there's a problem in your internet. Okay? Kindly leave the class and join it again in a second. Okay? So you will listen me or see my screen. Okay? So everyone is listening me now. Now the question number one is saying that tick the machines and cross which are not the machines. There are some pictures. What these pictures are, you have to find out the machines and you have to put the cross on those which are not machine. So let me take a option to make some things on the screen. Okay, so here it is. Here we have. So for machine, okay, let me tell you one thing. For machine is a thing which can do work continuously. Machine is a thing which can do work continuously. Machine is a thing which can do work continuously. Okay, so it can continuously can work. Okay, humans can work continuously. No, we can get tired. We can get tired. That's why we are not machines. Okay, so yes, Tahir, what is your question? Tahir, yes, please. What is your question?
Yes.
What is your question? You raise the hand. Yes?
I want to answer, sir.
Okay, wait. First, I will complete the question then. Okay, so now the machines are those things which can work repeatedly. Okay, they can work continuously. Okay, can chair work? No, chair will stay at the same place. Okay, so can anyone tell me which one is the machine? You can tell only one thing. Only one thing. Okay, raise your hand. Okay, everyone. Can anyone tell me which one is the machine? Okay, so many students are there. Very good. Okay. Yes, Makki. Where is the machine? Yes, Makki. Can you name the machine? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Say your answer, please. We are waiting.
Yes.
Okay. Sheriff. Yes, Sheriff.
Sir.
Okay. Can you tell me which one is the machine? Yes, please.
Computer. Computer.
Okay, very good, very good, very good. Okay, so Sheriff is saying computer. Okay, let's see what we have. Okay, so okay, Mohammed Hatam. Yes, Mohammed Hatam. Where is Mohammed Hatam? Yes, please. Mohammed Hatam.
Yes,
Can you tell me any
yes,
machine? Can you tell me any machine?
a school bus.
School
A
bus.
school
Okay,
bus.
okay, good. Very good. So till now
A,
we
a
got
racing car.
wait, wait there, wait there. Okay, so we got two answers. Till now we got two answers. What are the answers? The answers are mentioned the computer and the school bus. Okay. Okay, let's see. Let's see. We have Thai. Yes, Thai. Yes, Thai. What is your answer? What do you think? What is machine? Yes, please.
Share.
Yes.
Car.
What are you saying?
Clock. And
Okay. Okay. Okay, everyone. Okay. Okay. So let's see what others are saying. Yes, Ayan. Yes, please. Ayan. Yes, Ayan. Ayan, your answer.
yes. Yes.
Say your answer
Yes, sir.
fast.
A car.
Okay, okay, okay. Very good, very good, very good. Till now, every student said the right answer. Till now, every student said the right answer. Okay. Yes, Mohammad Farooq. What is your answer? Mohammad Farooq. Yes, please.
Okay.
Yes, please. Say your answer fast.
Ray star.
Sorry, what are you saying?
Ray star.
I'm
I
not
told
understanding your words. What are you saying?
Ray star.
Abdul Aziz. Yes, Abdul Aziz. Abdul Aziz. Okay, let me see. Okay, let me see. Yes, Abdul Aziz. What is your answer?
Aziz, the car is machine.
Okay, okay, good. Good. So, okay, let me see. Who didn't raise any hand? Let me see. Abdul Rahman. Abdul Rahman, you are not saying anything? Yes, Abdul Rahman. Abdul Rahman, you can unmute your mic, please, and give me the answer, please. Abdul Rahman, are you there? You didn't raise the hand, Abdul Rahman. Can you tell me any machine? Elias. Yes, Elias. What is your answer? Elias. Elias, are you there?
أنا نكرة.
Okay. Okay. Good. Good. Very good. Okay. Muhammad Abdul Rahim. Yes, please. Muhammad Abdul Rahim. What is your answer, Muhammad Abdul Rahim Faris? Yes.
Flat iron.
Okay. 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 So it's iron. Okay. Good. So we got so many answers. Till now, we got some answers. Where are the answers? Some machines are there. Some machines are there. Let me put the tick. We got the race car. We got the clock. And we got the bus. We got the computer. Yes, and we got the iron. Okay. So they can continuously work. We can use iron continuously. We can run car continuously. We can run bus continuously. Clock will run continuously, and computer will run continuously. Iyad Shami. Yes, Iyad. What is your answer, Iyad?
Yes, yes, sir.
What is your answer?
My answer
Yes, yes.
is
Say your answer, please.
machine.
Yes, we are talking about the machine.
Tick. No,
We are waiting
no,
for your answer.
cross.
Yeah, we are waiting for your answer.
ग्राफिक नेट नहीं है, पर अब कह रहा है कि यूएसबी ऑन है यहाँ पे। चेक करें कौन सी ऑन है। एक बजे इतनी मुझसे खत्म नहीं हो रही।
Okay, so we see some machines. So we take the machines. We take the machines. If you see, we take some of the machines. What are those machines? It's a car, and then it's a clock, and then it's iron, and then it's a bus, and then it's a computer. Then we have to put the cross on the, and then we have to put the cross on the Pictures which are not machines. Okay, so we are putting the cross on the chair, on the pencil, and on the bag. Okay, which one is left? Which one is left? Yes, Mohammed Saeed. Can you answer this, Mohammed Saeed? Yes, please. Which one is left?
all.
The tree.
So very good, Mohammed Saeed. You said the right answer. Okay, so now, so we are done with the question number one. So in this, you told about the machines and you told about which are not machines. You told about the machines and which you also told about which are not machines. Okay, so everyone is done with the answer of question number one. Everybody is done with the answer of question number one. Say yes or no.
Okay. Okay.
Everybody is done with the question number one.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now
Very good.
open
Very good. Very
Sir,
good.
I use.
A.
Very good, everyone. Okay.
Question number
So
one,
now
A.
moving
What is
towards the question
question
number
number one,
two.
A?
Question
Listen to me.
number
I will
two
explain
is
each
saying
book
that
each one
write the
from each
names
question.
of write the
Mute point.
names
Mute.
of
Khaled Hussain.
any two machines
Khaled Hussain.
that need
Your mic is full,
electricity to
Samir.
work. Okay, that need electricity to work.
Don't
Okay.
need to draw the number
So
line.
let me
No
ask.
need. We'll do
So
directly.
there is a
Okay.
student
No
with
need
the
to draw the
name
number
of,
line. Clear?
okay,
No
it's the
need.
name of
Directly.
Marwa. Always
Plus
join the
6.
class with your real name so that I can
Plus
call you.
adding
The name of the
integers.
student is mentioned here
Adding
is Dr. Marwa.
integers.
Okay.
Why this is called
So I am
integers?
unmuting him. You
This
can
plus
tell me
6
your
is
name and
called
you can give me
integer
the
or
answer,
number,
please.
right?
Yes,
And minus
please.
3 is called integer
What
or
is your
not?
answer?
In between, there is one.
Always join the
Okay.
class with your
So
real
now,
name.
so first
Oh,
of all, you
good.
have to remove
Adam.
the bracket.
So, Adam,
So
very
first
good,
one,
Adam.
whatever
You
you have,
rename
write
your
same way.
name.
So plus
Yes,
6 is
Adam. What
for
is your
what? 6
answer?
only, right
Can
or
you
no?
tell me any one
Correct?
machine which needs
Next,
electricity?
now when
Yes,
you remove the
please.
second bracket, now you have to multiply.
Adam, are you listening me?
We learn in the chapter 2, right or no? So plus into
Okay.
minus is what, boy?
Okay,
Minus or
let
no?
me see. Yusuf Ali.
Plus is
Yes,
minus,
Yusuf.
minus. So
Yusuf
minus
Ali.
3. So 6 minus
Yusuf
3
Ali,
equal
are you
to
listening me?
3. Everyone understand? Everyone understand?
Yusuf
Number
Ali,
question.
you can
Now
unmute
question
yourself.
number 3 I will
You
explain.
raise the hand. If you don't want to
Question number
answer,
3.
then kindly don't raise the hand. Okay, Suleiman Soleh. Yes, Suleiman
So
Soleh.
next one.
What is
This
your
is what,
answer?
boy? Plus 4. Plus 4
Can you
is
tell
the
me any
plus,
machine
then the minus
which
4.
runs
Okay.
on fuel?
No, no, we have plus
Oh,
4.
sorry,
So
runs
plus
on
4, what I
electricity.
can
Can
what
you
I written
tell
here?
me any machine,
Please don't
any
write
one
only one.
machine
Afterwards you can write it.
which
Okay.
needs
4
electricity
words
or
here.
run on
4. Then
electricity?
here, when you
Yes,
write the second
please,
bracket, you
Suleiman
have to
Soleh.
multiply first.
We are
So
waiting for
plus
your
into
answer.
minus 4. So 4 minus 4,
Yes.
how much boy?
Yes,
0.
please tell me.
Now
Tell
understand?
fast.
Now question number 1.
Computer.
Okay,
Question
good,
number 2,
good, very
A.
good,
What is
Suleiman,
question
very
number
good.
2, A?
Okay, Rafiq. Yes, Rafiq.
Minus
What is your
7
answer? Can you tell me any more
plus
machine which needs
plus 5.
electricity?
So the first one,
Yes, please.
whatever you have, write it same.
Rafiq,
Minus
are
is
you
why?
hearing me?
Because here different symbols we should
Okay.
subtract.
If someone don't
Different
want to answer,
symbols
then
we should
kindly don't raise
subtract.
the hand.
So 7 minus
Yes,
5 is
Sharif.
2. So
Everyone
7
is
is the
getting a
big number.
chance.
Minus
Yes,
2.
Sharif.
Everyone understand?
Sharif, are you
It's fine.
there?
Yes, dear.
Yes. Can you
No.
give me any
Yes.
name
Otherwise,
for
I
the
put
machine which
0.
runs on
I cut
electricity?
the mark 0.
Yes,
Remember.
please.
Next, now another one. I will explain in each part.
Sorry, what are you saying?
Clear everyone?
Tell me the name of the machine.
Now. Yes. Minus 4.
Okay.
Minus 2 or not?
Elias. Yes, Elias. Can you
Minus
tell me
2.
the name
So
of any
now plus into
machine
minus,
which
minus
need
4.
electricity?
Now minus 2, minus 2, minus 2.
TV.
What?
Plus
TV.
6. Plus 6.
No, there is no
Plus 6
CD
now.
in it.
No, no.
There is no CD in it.
Right now,
Plus
TV.
6.
TV.
No CD. CD is not there.
Is it multiplication?
Okay. So, Ayan, can you tell me any more one machine which needs electricity? Yes, please. Ayan, computer, yes. Computer, yes. Okay.
And
Okay,
washing
Omar.
machine.
Okay.
Washing machine.
No, can you tell me the picture? See the pictures. Washing machine is there in the picture or not? See the pictures. See these pictures. There are some pictures there. Where are the
Monitor.
pictures? There are some pictures. These are some pictures. Can you tell me any one picture which needs electricity? The one is computer. You said right. Can you tell me any other in these pictures? Okay. So one gave the right answer. One answer is very much right. The one answer gave it's computer. Computer needs electricity. Okay. Computer needs electricity. Yes. And can anyone tell me the name of a device or a machine which need electricity? Okay. Where are the pictures? Where are the pictures? Here are some pictures. Let me show you. Here are some pictures. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 pictures are there. Can you tell me any one machine other than the computer which needs electricity? Okay. Omar, can you tell me the machine which needs electricity? Yes, please. Omar. Omar, you can unmute yourself? Abdul Aziz. Yes, please. Abdul Aziz.
Sir, I'm here, I'm here.
Abdul Aziz, are you there?
Yes. Yes.
Tell me the answer, please.
TV.
Okay, TV is not there. Okay, now I am telling
Okay,
you the
okay,
answer.
okay.
I am telling you
Bus,
the
bus.
answer. The thing which needs electricity is the iron. This one, the iron, this one. Iron needs electricity. Iron needs electricity to run. It needs electricity. The iron is the right answer. It needs electricity. It's iron. It's IRON. Everybody should has to write this. So two questions are done. So question number 3 is there. Question number 3 is saying write the names of any two machines that need fuel to work. Write names of two machines that need fuel or petrol. That need fuel or petrol. Okay. Abdul Rahman, can you tell me the name of any machine which needs fuel? Tell me fast. Tell me fast. Abdul Rahman. Okay, Mohammed
Yes, sir.
Said, can you answer this? Mohammed Said, can you answer this
Sir?
question?
What, sir?
Can you tell me any machine that needs fuel to work?
What?
Okay, can you tell me any machine which needs petrol? Which needs petrol? Okay, so now let me tell you, there are some machines available. Where are the machines? There are some machines available on the top. Here are some machines. If you see car, chair, clock, pencil, iron, bus, bag, tree, and computer is there. So the one machine which needs fuel is car. It's a car. Car needs fuel. Fuel is a petrol. So car need the fuel. What is the second thing which needs fuel? Chair needs fuel? No. Clock needs fuel? No. Pencil needs fuel? No. Iron needs fuel? No. Bag needs fuel? No. Trees need fuel? No. Computer needs fuel? No. One thing is left. The bus. Bus needs fuel. It runs on fuel. So the answer for the second machine which needs fuel, it's a bus. So everybody should has to write this in the worksheet. Question number 3 is car and bus. It's CAR. CAR, it's a car. And then the bus. The word fuel means the petrol. Car and bus needs petrol to run. Okay. So now everybody is done with the question 3. Everybody is done with the question 3. Say yes or no. Everybody done?
Yes.
Everybody done? Say yes or no, please.
Yes.
Okay, okay, okay. Now we are moving to. Let me clear the screen. Now we are moving towards the next questions. Okay. So question number 4 is there. This question is saying multiple choice question. It means there are some choices given. Computers are used in dash to keep record of money. where we use money. Okay, where we keep record of money. Okay, can we keep record of money in banks? Can we keep record of money in shops? Can we keep record of money in malls? Can we keep record of money online? Okay. Yes, Abdul Aziz. Abdul Aziz, can you answer this question? Where we keep record of money? Bank, shops, malls, or online? Yes, please. Abdul.
Bank.
Okay, okay. Okay. It's Amgad Mohammed. Yes, Amgad Mohammed. Yes, please. Amgad Mohammed, can you answer this? Amgad Mohammed, where we keep record of money?
Yes, also.
Banks, shops, malls, or online? Yes, please. Can you tell me the answer? We all are waiting for your answer. Yes, please.
Answer.
Okay, Makki. Makki, are you there? Makki, can you answer this? Where we keep record of money? Makki. Yes, please. Makki, you can unmute yourself. Omar. Yes, Omar. Can you give me the answer for this question?
The bank.
The bank. Very good. The right answer is the bank. The right answer is the bank. In bank, we can
Brother Siri
check.
Chile.
Yes, you
I'm
are
your
right.
boss Chile.
You
Sir.
are okay. So bank is the right answer. Computers are used in banks to keep record of money. The right answer for the question one is bank. Question number two is saying we can draw dash. We can draw games on computer. We can draw letters on computer. We can draw pictures on computer. Okay. So let me see. Let me see who is there. Okay. Mohammad Farooq. Yes, Mohammad Farooq. Can you give me the answer for this? Mohammad Farooq. Yes, please.
Yes.
What is the answer? We can draw what on computer?
Games.
We can draw what on computer? Games, letters, or pictures? What are you saying? Yusuf? Yes, Yusuf. Yusuf, are you listening me? Yusuf Ali.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. We can draw dash on computer. We can draw dash on computer. We can draw games. We can draw letters.
Picture.
We can draw pictures. Yes, please.
Picture.
Okay, okay. Yes, Tahir. Tahir, what is your answer, Tahir?
Yes, sir. The picture, sir.
Pictures. Yes, you both are right. You both are right. Okay. So we can draw pictures on a computer. We can draw pictures on a computer. Everybody should has to write this in the worksheet. So question 1 and 2 is done. Okay, let me clear the screen and move towards the next question. Move towards the next question. A computer can be used to book online. To book online what? Book online tickets, online sums, online book mails online, book drawings online. So the right answer for this is book the ticket online. We can book the tickets online. Okay, we can book tickets online. Okay, everybody should has to write the answer for the question 3. It's a book tickets. It's a tickets. It's a one. Answer is one tickets for the question number 3. So now we are moving to the next one. We are moving to the next one. Okay, let me clear the screen. Okay, so everyone can answer this. Everyone can answer this one. Computer can do cleaning of your room. Is it true or false? Everyone would say
Sir.
yes. Everyone can answer.
False.
It's false. Everyone will answer. It's false.
False.
It's false. Why? Because computer cannot do the work. Computer cannot do the work. Okay? You have to tell him, but computer cannot do the cleaning of your room. It's false. We cannot draw pictures on computer. Is it true or false? It's false. It's false. It's false. We can draw pictures. We can draw pictures. It's false. Someone is saying that we cannot draw pictures on a computer. It's false.
Sir,
It's false.
we clean the computer, not computer is clean.
Yes, that's why it's false. A computer works on petrol. A computer works on petrol. Computer works on fuel. It's false. It's false. Yes. Yes. Yes.
There is no number 4.
It's false. Yes, it's false. It's false. Yes, it's false. It's false. Yes, you are right. It's false. It's false. You are right. It's a false one. Okay. Then a computer can solve sums. Okay. Can the sums means the mathematics questions? Can computer solve them? Can computer solve them? Everyone should answer this. Can computer solve them? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Then it's true. Yes. Computer can do it. Computer can solve the sums. Computer can solve the sums. It's true. Computer can solve the sums. It's true. Okay. What does sums means? Sums means the questions. The questions, the mathematics questions. Yes, computer can do the sums. It's true. Yes. Computer can work on fuel. It's false. Okay. We cannot draw pictures on a computer. It's false. We can draw. A computer can do cleaning of your room. No, computer will not do the cleaning of your room. So answer for true false. One answer is false. The second true false answer is false. The third true false answer is false. And the fourth question is true. So it's false, 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 and true. So everybody is done. Everybody is done. Say yes or no.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Very good, everyone. So now time of the period is ended. We will meet in the next class, inshallah. Okay. Have a nice day, everyone.